Starting from our bank reports to our medical certificates, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, every details are being tracked and stored somewhere in this computerized world of 21st century. Even we do prefer storing our data in electronic format rather than keeping them in piles of papers. The possibilities and flexibilities are huge, but what about security? If security is a real threat for our personal data kept in electronic storage, how the nations are managing to keep the high-level data securely? What's the assurance for the national security? The higher the value of data stored, the higher the threats are. So the security level must be elevated. While cyber threats are being a concern for the Defense Department of the United States, authorities and institutions are researching and deploying various methods to defeat them. And one such recent invention is a super secure processor, a processor which could prevent hacking by turning the computer into a puzzle. Let's see more about the new cybersecurity method. Hello and welcome to SEO Science in a Wrap. Todd Austin, Professor of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, and Lauren Bernanke, PhD candidate in Computer Science and Engineering, both from University of Michigan, have developed and tested a secure new computer processor that stops hackers by randomly changing its underlying structure, thus making it virtually impossible to hack. They said that last summer, 525 security researchers spent 3 months trying to hack their Morphus processor as well as others, and all attempts against Morphus failed. This study was part of a program sponsored by the US Defense Advanced Research Program Agency to design a secure processor that could protect vulnerable software. The agency released the results on the program to the public for the first time in January 2021. Let's see how it works. As we all know, the processor is the piece of computer hardware that runs software programs. Since the processor underlies all software systems, a secure processor has the potential to protect any software running on it from attack. The team at the University of Michigan first developed a secure processor that thwarts attacks by turning the computer into a puzzle in 2019. It was called Morphus. Processors have a microarchitecture that enables the execution of the instruction set, the speed of this execution, and how much power it consumes. Hackers need to be highly familiar with the details of the microarchitecture to graft their malicious code or malware onto the vulnerable system. So, to prevent from such attacks, Morphus randomizes these implementation details and which turns the system into a puzzle. Therefore, the hackers must solve it in case they want to conduct any security exploits. When Morphus is implemented, commands the processor executes or the format of program data changes from one machine to another randomly. This will happen at the microarchitecture level and it won't affect the software running. But if the hacker is highly skilled, then he could reverse engineer a Morphus machine in just a few hours. To counter this, Morphus also alters the microarchitecture every few hundred milliseconds. So even if they try to reverse engineer, they have to do it within milliseconds. So what's the importance of the new security measure? Usually, to conduct a security exploit, hackers use vulnerabilities in softwares to get inside a device. After getting inside, they graft their malware onto the device. Malware is designed to infect the host device to either steal data or spy on users. The normal approach to computer security is to fix individual software vulnerabilities to keep hackers away. For these techniques to succeed, programmers must write perfect softwares without any bugs. But creating a software without any bugs is not a possibility. Bugs are everywhere, and security bugs are the most difficult to figure out because they don't affect the program's normal operation. Morphus deals this differently by augmenting the underlying processor to prevent attackers from grafting malware onto the device. With this approach, Morphus protects any vulnerable software that runs on it. Morphus takes notably different approach of ignoring the bugs and instead randomizes its internal implementation to thwart exploitation of bugs. Fortunately, these are complementary techniques and combining them will likely make systems even more difficult to attack. The team is now working on how the fundamental design aspects of Morphus could be applied to protect the data on people's device and in the cloud. Hope you liked this video. Give us your feedbacks in the comment section. Please do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. Stay safe, stay happy, stay updated.